Hello everyone! Today I want to talk to you about skirts. We need to have a lot of different skirts. Today I'm not going to talk to you about flounce skirts or some other skirts of complicated design. I want to talk to you about pencil skirts. I made one pencil skirt with a band, then a second one, and then realized that I got tired of them. This is my new pencil skirt. I've already showed it to you, and you asked me to show you how to make it. Usually I show you how to make an item first, but this time it's vice versa. These square metal decorations look very beautiful. Nowadays we can create outfits which would have been inappropriate some time ago. I could even wear this skirt with my silk blouse. Modern fashion allows wearing almost anything we want. The fact that I added these decorations doesn't make the skirt sporty. Such skirts are very convenient. I can wear it with almost any top. Lace blouses, shirts, sweaters. The skirt is made of cotton of a very high quality. The cotton is strong. The princess seams start from the hips. The front is 3 cm shorter than the other details. The princess seams end with slits. Each one is 7 cm long. Have a look here. Notice where I moved the darts. When I put the skirt on the table, I'll show you all the details closer. After that, I'll show you how to make a pattern for this skirt. I'll also show you these metal decorations. The skirt is pretty simple. There's nothing but the seam and the 2 darts on the back. The front is a bit more complicated. It requires some work to make it. I love this skirt. It was made of strong cotton, so I think that I'll wear it for a long time. I liked it so much that I decided to show it to you. Have a look at the skirt. The back is very simple. There's even no band here. The skirt was overcast and stitched. Let's have a look at the front. These are the princess seams. They start about 8 cm down from the waistband. It starts here and goes down to the bottom. The middle detail is 3 cm shorter than the side details. This is how it looks like. The slits are 7 cm long. Have a close look at them. The skirt is lined. I love it. This is how these metal details look like. Notice that they have sharp angles. Pin them and then use pliers to fix them on the wrong side. Imagine how much time it takes to do it. Let me count them. 26 and 1/2. That means that there are 52 of them. One of the tailors of my fashion house attached them. She's so patient. I think that the skirt is very beautiful. You can also decorate dresses this way. These are the princess seams, which end with the slits. The center front detail is 3 cm shorter than the rest of the skirt. This is where the waist darts were moved. Next, I'll show you how to make a pattern for this skirt. I don't need the back detail because I didn't change it when making the skirt. The width of this detail is 27 cm. You can make it as wide as you want. First, I need to sign the center front. It's not hard to make such pattern. I need to measure 13.5 cm on the bottom. Next, I need to draw a straight line through these points up from the bottom. Next, I need to measure 8 cm down from the waistband. Pencil skirts are very interesting. I'd better draw the line this way. Next, I need to make the center front detail 3 cm shorter. I'll sign that there should be no seam, but a fold on the center front. This is very important. I'm making the center front detail 3 cm shorter. I'll sign that I need to cut 2 side details. There shouldn't be a seam on the center front, so I need to cut just one center front detail. Here it is. I need to cut 2 of these details. I hope that you like the design. It's very cool. Now have a look here. This is where the dart is now. You may have even 2 darts, it doesn't matter. This is the dart top. It doesn't matter where to move it, here, here, or here. I'll move it this way. Next I need to make an opening here and close the original dart. This is how it looks like now. This is where the dart is now, and this is how it looks like in the skirt. The pattern for the center front detail is ready, and for the side detail, ready as well. This is how they look like. I remind you that the center front detail is 3 cm shorter than the rest of the skirt. I want to mark the point where it starts. This is the bottom of the center front detail, and this of the front side detail. There will be no seam of the center front. This is the princess seam and the dart. The skirt is decorated with the small metal details. The skirt is very simple. This is the best thing about it. We need to learn that simple items can be absolutely amazing. It's better to make simple clothes and wear them regularly than make loads of complicated designs and keep them in closets. We'll get back to pencil skirts. There are a lot of different ways to change the original design. I'm glad that I decided to show you this one. Everyone should have a pencil skirt in a wardrobe. I hope that you find my tutorials useful. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.